Nneka Mobisson's journey towards revolutionizing healthcare in Africa began with the profound influence of her father, Nneka Mobisson. Oliver, a revered technologist and educator in Nigeria, harbored a deep belief in the transformative power of technology. His vision of leveraging technological advancements to solve Africa's pressing issues was a constant theme in Nneka's upbringing. Nneka Mobisson's career was marked by significant contributions, including helping to establish the first science and technology university in Nigeria. He believed that investing in technology was crucial for Africa to compete globally. His relentless pursuit of technological progress often came at the expense of family time, a sacrifice that profoundly impacted Nneka. The family's frequent visit to MIT's bookstore, where Oliver delved into engineering books, are vivid memories of Nneka. These experiences planted the seed of her future endeavors in leveraging technology for societal good. The turning point of Nneka's life came with a personal tragedy that underscored the glaring inadequacies in Africa's healthcare system. Her father's premature death due to complications from a stroke, which could have been prevented with better medical support, deeply affected her. This event highlighted the critical need for accessible, high-quality healthcare, particularly for chronic diseases which are on the rise in Africa. This personal loss galvanized Nneka into action. She realized that many Africans were dying prematurely from manageable chronic conditions due to lack of adequate healthcare infrastructure. Determined to address this gap, Nneka dedicated to channel her grief into a mission to transform healthcare delivery across the continent. Hence, the birth of mDoc. In 2013, Nneka co-founded mDoc, a health tech company aimed at providing comprehensive support for people living with chronic diseases. The company's founding vision was to leverage digital technologies to bridge the healthcare gap in Africa. mDoc's approach was built on the belief that technology could empower individuals to manage their health better and improve overall health outcomes across the continent. Its core philosophy is to provide a high-tech, high-touch solution. This involves a blend of digital tools and personal interactions to ensure that patients receive holistic care. The company's digital platform connects patients with a multidisciplinary team of healthcare providers, offering services ranging from health coaching and teleeducation to in-person visits and personalized action plans. Recognizing the widespread penetration of mobile phones in Africa, mDoc harnessed this technology to deliver its services. The mDoc platform enables patients to access health services through their mobile devices, ensuring that even those in remote areas can receive care. This approach has been instrumental in overcoming the barriers of distance and limited healthcare infrastructure that plague many parts of Africa. mDoc also implemented community education hubs and roving community ambassadors to enhance digital literacy among patients. These initiatives ensure that users can effectively utilize the digital platform, thereby maximizing the impact of mDoc's services. Africa has long been associated with high rates of communicable diseases such as HIV/AIDS and malaria. However, there is a growing burden on non-communicable diseases like diabetes and hypertension, which are becoming leading causes of death in the region. The World Health Organization estimates that by 2030, NDCs will result in 28 million additional deaths in Africa, surpassing death from communicable diseases. Nneka's father was among those who fell victim to the inadequate management of chronic diseases. His death from complications related to uncontrolled hypertension underscores the urgent need for better healthcare solutions for chronic conditions. mDoc was founded to address this need by providing continuous and comprehensive care for patients with chronic diseases, helping them manage their conditions effectively and improve their quality of life. mDoc services are designed to provide end-to-end support for individuals with chronic diseases. The platform offers a range of services, including complete health platform, which integrates various health management tools. Patients have access to blood sugar testing, health coaching, tele-education classes, and personalized action plans. Additionally, mDoc's Navi Health Directory helps users find healthcare services across different countries. To ensure the effectiveness of its services, mDoc also focuses on training healthcare providers by enhancing the capability of doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and community health workers. Through tele-education, mDoc builds a network of trusted professionals who can provide high-quality care to patients. A significant aspect of mDoc's innovation is the integration of artificial intelligence into its services. The company's core product, a chatbot named Kem, uses AI to provide virtual health coaching to individuals at risk for or living with chronic health conditions. Kem, derived from the Igbo word Nkem, meaning my own, offers personalized health advice and supports behavior change through preventative care and health management nudges. mDoc continuously trains Kem using AI and large language models to enhance its capabilities. By capturing and analyzing patients' interactions, Kem can provide more accurate and relevant health information, helping users make informed decisions about their health. The company's success lies in its community-centric approach. It involves community members in the co-creation of its services, ensuring that the solutions are culturally relevant and meet the specific needs of the population. By engaging with people in markets, churches, and other community settings, mDoc gathers valuable feedback that informs the continuous improvement of its platform. This approach not only builds trust among users, but also empowers them to take control of their health. mDoc's efforts to improve digital health literacy are aimed at creating a more health-conscious and empowered population capable of making informed health decisions. Since its inception, mDoc has made significant strides in improving healthcare access and outcomes in Africa. The company has reached over 1 million people living with chronic diseases, providing them with the support and resources needed to manage their health effectively. mDoc's services have expanded geographically, offering tele-education in 25 African countries and training thousands of healthcare providers. The impact of mDoc's work is evident in the improved health outcomes and enhanced quality of life of its users. By focusing on preventative care and continuous support, mDoc is helping to reduce the burden of chronic diseases and prevent premature deaths in Africa. Nneka Mobisson's vision for mDoc is to create a movement around self-care and health empowerment in Africa. She envisions a continent where individuals are not only health literate but also have the digital skills to access and utilize healthcare services effectively. This vision aligns with her father's belief in the transformative power of technology and the dream of advancing Nigeria's technological landscape. Such a marvelous journey is evident to the power of technology in addressing critical healthcare challenges. By combining digital innovation with a deep understanding of community needs, mDoc is paving the way for a healthier, happier, and more productive Africa. As the company continues to expand and evolve, it remains committed to its mission of providing high-quality, accessible healthcare to all. The story of mDoc is one of resilience, innovation, and a deep commitment to improving healthcare in Africa. Born out of personal tragedy, mDoc has grown into a beacon of hope for millions of people living with chronic diseases. Through the visionary leadership of Nneka Mobbison, the legacy of her father, Nneka Mobisson, mDoc is transforming healthcare delivery and making a lasting impact on the continent as it continues to harness the power of technology and community engagement. mDoc is well on its way to realizing its vision of a healthier Africa. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. This has been Bernard and you've been watching African Dream Motivation. Kindly subscribe for more.